In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off color filters on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, whether SSD Apple Watch with GPS or cellular only that allows you to make phone call without your phone using eSIM, then you can easily disable or turn off color filters with the help of this guide. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do to turn off or disable color filters on Apple Watch Series 9 is make sure you're on the clock face. So if you are somewhere around here, just press the digital crown just once, and this is going to take you back to the clock face. On the clock face, press the digital crown once again, then you'll be taken to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings, then one on settings, you want to scroll down and locate accessibility. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on accessibility, scroll down and locate color filters. Click on that. Then here, you can just toggle off this color filters button to disable color filters on your Apple Watch Series 9. Then if you go back to your app menu, then discover that the color filter is no longer active. So that's how you can easily disable or turn off color filters on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.